Hello friends, welcome back. This is Parthiban. As usual, we're going to discuss about next week trading plan and make sure you are subscribed and like my video. And one more thing, important thing, watch my video till the end, okay? And disclaimer, if you are trade based on my video, that's your own risk because I am not a financial advisor. And one more thing, I just want to tell you that henceforth, I'm not going to give you any future trade setups because there is a huge reason behind that. In my channel, most of them are beginners. They are new to stock market, so they don't understand what is the risk involved in stock market. So I recommend or I advise to the beginners that just trade in cash market instead of futures, even though you have a lot of money in your pocket. Okay, start with small capital and trade in cash market, learn the price action strategies, and then start with futures trade. Okay, so henceforth, I'm not going to give any futures trade setup. That's the update. And today we're going to talk about four stocks. Okay, so two already given in my previous videos. Okay, and so two stocks I'm going to give you today for next week trades, and make sure once there is a right entry, then only you can enter there. Okay, the first stock name is Aster DM Healthcare. You can see the watermark over here. Okay, so I'm going to explain you what is this and why I recommend or why it's in my watch list. Okay, it's weekly time frame, guys. 1 week time frame. Okay, so the stock consolidating from, okay, how many days? 1232 1232 days. Okay, and I'm not sure how many years. Let's check from 2018 March to till now. It's just consolidating. It's not cut the price. 179, 179. Okay, and look at this beautiful pattern. This is trend line pattern, guys. Okay, so what I'm expecting this time, the stock may break out from this trend line and move. So why I'm expecting the breakout this time? Let's discuss. Okay, how many rejection we could see in this trend line? One, two, three, four, five, and many times, and here sixth one, right? So every time, if you see the breakout, right here, it's a huge green candle, but look at this next week candle. Okay, uh, if you know about the candlesticks pattern, definitely you will know about this one. So it's a reversal, and once it's reversed, look at this, it's came down, right? Again it tried to break out this area, but it couldn't. So what happened? Again there is a huge fall, right? So what happened next? Stock moved and again it started to fall. So whenever it tried to break out, it just came down. Okay, with huge red candles. Look at this, it's a huge fall. Look at this, it's a huge fall. And this time it's not a huge fall, right? This time it's not a huge fall, okay, in this area. So what happened? It just moved. Okay, it just moved, and this time it just touched the trend line, tested this trend line, but still it's unable to break out this area, break out this trend line. Okay, but what happened on next week? It given a green candle. On next week also it given a green candle. So what information it's trying to give? Like every time the stock try to break out from this trend line, the next week candle would be a red candle. Look at this, red candle, and red candles. But this time that is not happened exactly. After this test, the next candle, green candle, and next candle, green candle. So what I think that there is a lot of buyers on this area. Okay, so it looks like buyers dominated the sellers in past 2 weeks. So what may happen on next week or next to next week? the stock may break out from this trend line. This is what my anticipation, and I given the reason why I anticipating the stock may break out on next week. Okay, so keep it in your watch list and check whether it's going to break out or break down. Okay, that's the first stock, and next stock name is Barak Milk. Again, guys, this was already given in my one of video. If you haven't watched my video, please check my videos regularly. All right. So it's 1 week time frame, and how many rejection you could see? One, two, three, here four, and fifth time it got reject. It got breakout, right? And after that there is a consolidation. Let's go to 1 day time frame. Okay, so it's a beautiful channel pattern. Let's see, it's trading within this channel pattern. Let's see whether it's breaking down or given a breakout. Okay, so wait and watch. Do not enter after this video. Just keep it in your watch list and make an entry once there is a right opportunity. And the next stock name is Canfin Home. I think last week also we were discussed about the Canfin Home. Still, it has lot of potential, so it's not going down and it's not moving up as well. Still, it's keep on consolidating. Let's see what will happen. If you see any right opportunity, enter and make money. Okay, Canfin Home. And the last stock name is Jindal Shah. Okay, let me go to monthly time frame, guys. Look how beautifully it formed a triangle pattern. Look, from 2007 December, it's almost 14 years, right? So 14 years formation, and it's a monthly candle. Don't forget, it's a monthly candle. Seems good, okay? So what we may expect next week? Let me go to 1 week. It may give a small retrace, okay, and then it may go up, or it may go up little bit and came down. It may reverse. Okay, we are not sure about it. But so by looking at these candlesticks, and then what the candlesticks trying to give the information to us, it may go up because look at this monthly candle. Okay, look at this candle. It seems pretty good, right? It's a monthly candle, so don't forget that. So almost 18 percentage last month. So what I'm expecting a small retrace from this area and then it fly up. Okay, and just draw this pattern and keep it in your watch list. And once the trend line tested with the small red candles, then if you see the right opportunity for the entry, and just enter and make money. Okay, so these are the four major stocks, and hope you will make money from these stocks, guys. Some people ask me, so where to enter, where to exit. So it's totally subjective because some people enter here, some people enter on retrace. Okay, so that is what we are saying. It's subjective, quite subjective. So we there is no particular rule for entry, exit, and stop loss. Okay, in stock market, it depends upon individual and person to person. It may vary. Okay, so I always recommend like once there is a breaker, do not jump. Okay, wait for the candle close and wait for the retrace, and then you started to enter. That's the right approach in my point of view, and hope everyone will follow the same and make money from the stock market. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day and be safe.